Today we're unboxing the Echo Show 8, which we've got right here. Now this is Zigbee and Matter enabled, so it's a pretty cool Amazon Alexa device. First thing we're going to do is just open up the box here. It's got that nice pull tab, which is pretty satisfying. You can use this with smart home devices and voice commands to control smart home devices in your home. They've got this little handle here. This thing's pretty packaged, pretty neat, and then you've got a little cardboard protector on there. So let's just slide that off, and here we go. That is our Echo Show 8, and it's got a touch screen on here, and I'm not sure if it has a camera or not. We'll have to find that out here in just a minute. And it's got this paper stuff on here. It's a real tight packaging job right there. And okay, there we go. That is the Echo Show 8. It's got a camera right there. You can put that privacy shutter over the top. And then as far as buttons, you've got volume up, volume down. Looks like you've got some microphones there. And then right here, you've got your mute button. And then on the back, we've got the speaker for this. So nice size speaker there. Let's see, there should be a, we've got some information booklets here. A little hello booklet with some information. But there should be a power adapter in here, and there is. So we've got a little power adapter. Comes in right here, and that is everything that you get with the Echo Show 8. Pretty cool how they package it and the device overall, so looking forward to getting this set up and using it. But that is the Echo Show 8. We'll give you the side profile again so you can see how it looks. I love just the looks of this. You have that screen on front and then a really smooth transition with that speaker there. So thanks for watching this video of our unboxing of the Echo Show 8.